This video I am showing you how to reset money in Schedule 1 game. So I have in here this article that contains all of the cheats and console commands for the infinite money and free ingredients on the Schedule 1. So do take note that this video is for educational purposes and we don't serve any acquisition or ties to any legal activities. So in this, let's head over and scroll down a bit further and we can see in here all of the list of the codes that we can use. So furthermore, we also have in here this infinite money and we can just input right here this. Just type run on your Windows and tap the app data and hit OK. Go up one folder layer from the roaming folder into the general app data and then navigate to the folder by going to local flow, EVGS, schedule 1, and saves. You can open the folder with string of numbers and then open your save game folder. For example, the save game 1, and then right click on the money.json file and edit it with pad. Change the online balance and net worth to whatever wonder that you want and then save the changes. Now, this one is an infinite money glitch. However, if you want to reset your money, you can edit the actual balance and net worth into zero. In that way, this will be reset. So that's how you reset money in Schedule 1 game. Hope we help.